Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to change your wallpaper on an iPhone. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper, tap Add New Wallpaper, select from Apple's built-in wallpapers or one of your photos. Adjust it by zooming or moving it around, then tap Add. Finally, choose whether you want it on your lock screen, home screen, or both. And that's it. Another quick way is directly from your Photos app. Just open the photos you want, tap the Share button, and choose Use as Wallpaper. Adjust it however you like, tap Add, and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. And that's it. That's how can you easily change wallpaper in your iPhone.